Hello everyone, welcome back to the lecture session. Today we will start new chapter, add our points. So from the heading we can easily identify this is the chapter based on the addition. Okay, addition means to combine both the groups, right? तो यहाँ पे सारी चीज़ों को हमें add करना है, combine करना है, ठीक है? So let's begin with this chapter. Here is one story. Toss the ball. Animals of the forest are playing. Turn by turn, they toss the ball on their bat until it falls. Each player gets its two turn and Bannu rabbit add their points. But do you know how he adds? Okay. Here, Bannu the rabbit, you toss the ball 14 times. See, the tortoise is tossing the ball and I have one more turn. And he said, yes, now only 7 toss this time. So he is going. Bannu add on this snake to add 14 and 7. Bannu stand on 14 and he jumps 7 steps forward. He reached 21. So you can also add points on the snake. See, look at here. There is a 14 and 7 stamp. After the 7 jumps, he will reach at 21. Look at the next page. Here, the addition of the points of different animals. देखो elephant के कितने हैं 14 plus 7 sorry tortoise के 14 plus 7 elephant having 49 plus 13 that this animal having 18 plus 10 all these animal have adding their point. Here we have to add but we have to add it on the number line, right? Here 1 to 63 number has been given. So let's begin with this. 16 plus 7. Here is a 16. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is 23. Or you can add it using your cards, right? In this addition, what you have to do, you have to just keep the bigger number in your mind, right? बड़े number को अपने mind में रखना है, ठीक है? So 16 in your mind and 7 in your cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. After 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. See, 18 plus 10 is 28. So 18 is a bigger number. So you have to keep it in your mind and count the 10 cards 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. After 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. See? Here is 19 plus 15 is equal to 34. So after 19, यहाँ पे 15 cards यहाँ पे होंगे. See, there are 15 cards in our hands. So here is a 15 cards. So after 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33 and 34. Okay. So this is the way. Then 49 plus 13 is 62. 14 plus 7 is 21 and 33 plus 11 is 44. So this is the way you can add the number. So look at here. Based on this addition, there are some question answer. Who won the game? So by comparing all this answer, the biggest number is 62 and we can say that elephant won the game and who lost the game. Now we are comparing the least number. The smallest number is 21 which has been earned this points earned by tortoise. So tortoise lost the game. The winner got bananas from Bannu. Now guess and tell. Prabha is going to her grandmother and who lives in the next village. She wants to take 15 kg sugar cane, 7 kg apples and 8 kgs tomatoes. So she has to cross a river in a boat. She can take only 24 kg weight. That's the limitation. इतना ही लेके जा सकती है. Can she carry all the things? वो सारी चीज़ें लेके जाएगी. For that, what you have to do? You have to do the addition, right? 15 plus 8 plus 7. ऐसे करके तीनों का addition करेंगे. We have already learned this kind of addition in the earlier chapter. So what do you have to do in this case? First you are going to add 15 plus 8, right? So 15 is a bigger number. Keep it in your mind. 8 cut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 and 23. Again 23 in your mind and 7 in your cards. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. So total 30 kg of the weight. But she has to allow only 25 kg of the weight should be taken with her. So she cannot carry all the things. She has to cut down some of the weight of her choice, right? So look at the next page, page number 78. This time, kangaroo, chimp, deer, giraffe, and tiger came to play. But the tiger lost the game, and he rubbed off some of point in anger. Write the missing points, and who is the winner this time? So here is an angry tiger who rubbed all some of the points over here. So we have to find out the number which is missing. So here we have a condition, right? In addition, whenever you have a blank space at the second place or first place, during that time you have to do the subtraction. तब आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? Subtraction. And whenever you have a blank at the after the is equal to sign, तो तब तो addition ही करना है. Very simple. See, in addition, the number which is written after the is equal to sign is always bigger. So let's begin with this. 16 plus blank is equal to 25. So 25 minus 16 करेंगे. So if they are bigger numbers, na, you can easily do it by using your cards. After 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 5 is there. Okay. Again, blank plus 8 is equal to 32. Again, we will do the addition of 8, 32 minus 8. Then we are getting the first number, right? So 32 minus 8 is equal to 24. So here 2 minus 8 would be done. Where 2 is a smaller number, so we'll take the borrow. So 3 cut 2. यहाँ से एक tens place में से हम एक number a ones place में लेके जाएंगे. So it becomes 10 plus 2. 110 is equal to 10 ones. So 10 plus 2, 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. And 2 minus 0 is 2. So answer is 24. Here the deer, 15 plus 30. Sorry, 16 plus 13. So 6 plus 3, 9. 1 plus 1, 2. Here 35 minus 5 is 30. And 30 minus 23 is 7. Very simple, right? Now look at the next page. And who won the game at last? We have to find out that. Okay. Now you will observe the answer 30, 35, 29, 32 and 21. So 35. Gorilla, monkey, right? That monkey won the game. Who's the winner? लिखेंगे monkey. Now look at the next page. Page number 79, where you will find out heads and tail. Head का मतलब क्या और tail का मतलब क्या? I will show you with one coin. See, the image is not really clear, so that's why I'm going to show you practically. Head means the impression of this emblem, right? And tail means the backside of it. This is called tail, where you will get the number. जहाँ पे number होता है वो tail होगा. See, यहाँ पे number लिखा है 1. This is like that. So let's back to the story which is given in your textbook. Head and tails. Have you seen the two sides of a rupee coin? So yes, we have seen already. Which side has one, head or tail? So that is tail. Okay, tail पे 1 लिखा होता है. So we are going to take that. Samina and Sadiq are playing. The board has numbers from 1 to 99. Each player has a button. This is a game, right? So they toss a coin. If it is head, the button moves 10 steps. So Samina is on 6, she moves to 16. If she gets tail, she moves only 1 step. अगर tail आता है ऐसा तो she has to move only one step. So now you also play this game, and the one who reaches home first win the game. Is there a shortcut for a 10 step? No, there is no shortcut for the 10 step. So this is an interesting game which has been played by you and your friends. Look at the next page. 2 at a time. See, Chintu and Mintu went shopping and they bought some things. To pay, they used notes and coins, but only 2 at one time. Okay, basically, we are using money to buy things, and while we are shopping during that time, it is quite important to know how to do addition and subtraction, right? So if you are not learning it properly, it will give you a lot of trouble while you are going for the shopping, right? तो वहाँ पे नोट्स आपको करेंसी एक्सचेंज करनी होती है in order to buy some things, right? तो for that you should know the addition and subtraction, so it is quite important. That's why this kind of things activity would be included in this chapter. Out of this, which two can they use to buy things? Below. And they can use the same notes or coin more than one time. Okay. So here there are some coins like 10 rupees note, 50 rupee note, 20 rupees note, then 1 rupee coin, 10 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin, right? So this is the way. Now we have to buy such things. For example, rupees 20. So rupees 10 and rupees 10. We are taking 2 notes of rupees 10. Then we will get this bag. Now book cost rupees 10. So what you have to do in that? You will take the 2 coins of rupees 5. Rupees 5 and rupees 5. There is a football cost rupees 40. So here we will going to take 2 notes of 20 rupees. Rupees 20 plus rupees 20 is rupees 40. And this cloth cost rupees 60. So rupees 50 plus rupees 10. 50 plus 10 is 60. And this doll cost rupees 25. So here we'll take 1 note of rupees 20 and 1 coin of rupees 5. So this way we can pay for all these things as per the condition. Okay, now look at the next page. How fast can you add? आप कितना जल्दी ऐड कर सकते हो? Velu, here there are some dialogues between the two children. So let's begin with this. Velu, what are you doing? Then Velu said, Akka, please help me add. मुझे addition करना, आप help करो. Okay, and then she said, oh, you can add this without writing. So start from 7 and count 5 more to make 12. Then add 3 more, you get 15. Okay, so first, as I told you, 7 in your mind. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this is the way you will get the answer for 15. I can also add 7 and 3 first to get 10 and then add 5. Yes, definitely this is the another way. आप कोई भी तरीके से एडिशन में कोई भी सीक्वेंस में आप एडिशन कर सकते. You can change the sequence of the number in the addition, right? But in subtraction it is not possible. But in while you are doing the addition, you can add the number in any of the sequence. Still the answer remain same. See, if you change the sequence of the number in the addition, the answer will remain same. It's the property of the addition. Later on we will discuss about the property of addition in detail, right? So next is a do this. 5 plus 5 plus 7. Here we have to do the addition because we have done similar kind of addition in the previous chapter in first semester. So same thing and same technique we are going to use it over here. First we are going to add both the numbers like 5 plus 5, 10, and 10 plus 7, 17. So this way you will try rest of the sum by yourself. Now look at the next page, page number 82. Killer lizard. Okay, a lizard moves from one hole to another. As it moves, it eats insect hidden in the hole. The number of insect in each hole is shown. The lizard can move only along the line. मतलब ये लाइन के थ्रू ही जा सकती है, ऐसे सीधे जंप नहीं कर सकती है. Starting from the blue hole in the picture, the lizard goes to 3 holes to eat 18 insect. अभी 3 holes में जाती है. 9 plus 8 plus this, right? तो यहाँ पे 1 है. So 18 insect हो गए. Now what path can the lizard to take to eat 12 insect? उसको 12 करने हैं, तो यहाँ पे वो कौन से पाथ पे जाएगी? So 3 plus 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 2 12. So this is the way you can bifurcate the number in your mind. You have to imagine the numbers in your mind. ऐसे bifurcate. 3 means 2 plus 1. This is the way. 3 8 1. 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 1 10, and 2. 10 plus 2 12. So you have to imagine the bifurcation of the number in your mind. What path can the lizard take to eat 20 insects? So that's super easy. From this picture you can easily find out 3 plus 9 plus 8. 3 plus 9 plus 8. This is the path. You can also take 8 plus 3 plus 9 or 9 plus 8 plus 3. Any of the path you can write down over here. The addition of all these three number is 20. How? Now, here we'll bifurcate the number 8 in your mind, like 7 plus 1 is 8, right? So 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 7, 17, 17 plus 3 is 20. This time the lizard goes to 4 holes to eat insect. So what part does the lizard take to eat 18 insect? Now here we have to make the addition 18. So here 8 plus 9 plus 1 0. You can take any of the path like this. 8 plus 1 plus 9 plus 0, 0 plus 1 plus 8 plus 9, like that. Okay, so the addition of whole this number 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 8 18, 18 plus 0 is 18. Now next is what path does the lizard take for 20 insect? Okay, अगर 12 insect, तो 12 insect के लिए कितने कौन सा वाला पाथ लेना पड़ेगा? तो she has to take, or it has to take 3 plus 8 plus 1 9. So here is 3 plus 8 plus 1 9. So using this path you can easily find out the answer 12. Okay, look at the next page. Again there is a play time. Samina and Sadiq are now playing another game on the board of head and tail. They throw 2 dice and add the number to get their points. You too can play this game and throw your dice and write your points. See what is the first to reach home. यहाँ पे देखो again वो क्या करते थे, सेम ये बोर्ड गेम ही खेल रहे थे. See they are playing the same board game. लेकिन यहाँ पे अब ये डाइस कर रहे हैं and whatever the number has been here, तो वो दोनों डाइस के नंबरों का एडिशन करके यहाँ पे लिखेंगे and they will play the game again head and tails के जैसी बोर्ड पे. And at last who will reach the first at home, they will won the game. Okay, you can also play this kind of game. As we have seen in all this game which are given in the textbook in our syllabus, all the games we can play using the addition only. So ultimately it will give you the practice of the addition. So you have to play those games because ultimately it will help you to improve your addition. So this is it for this session. Next time we will solve the workbook. Till that, stay at your home, stay safe, stay healthy, keep enjoy learning from the lecture session. Till that, goodbye.